Hello, welcome you all. Today I am going to explain you and make you understand a mind problem known as death anxiety disorder. It is a particular form of a anxiety disorder. What is the nature of this disorder? I will explain. There are few people who are affected by this problem who will have continuous anxious or anxiety thoughts that they will die. A disorder characterized by a continuous thought flow that they will die. That means this thought will engulf their minds and they will be in continuous palpitation. Now, don't confuse this with a general fear about death which all people have. All people will fear death. That is different. This is different. General people's death fear is they will fear to die. That is different. This is always they will have continuous thought that they will die, they will die, they will die. This thought will keep on coming in the mind and not able to handle, they suffer continuously with anxiety, palpitation, and after some time this single thought will lead to them to a depression state. So what happens here is when they have this kind of a fear, to overcome this they go to checkups, they go to doctors, they will take all the tests. Hospitals and doctors will take all the tests, blood tests, ECG, everything. And after seeing the reports, they will tell, nothing, no problem. You are completely healthy. Don't worry. Like that. And this person temporarily will get relief. By one day, next day you will think, no, the doctor didn't check me properly. I am having a fear. I can experience this. It is realistic. How come he's telling that I am healthy? So what they will do now? These people will change the doctor. They go to the next doctor and take all the tests. And the test report, the next doctor also will tell, you are healthy, don't worry. Nothing will happen, you will not die. Like this, throughout life, you won't believe, right? They will keep checking, right? They will be always visiting the hospitals. I will tell some 2-3 examples of a few cases which I treated. One person told me that whenever he vacates the house for rent, he will see only a house where a hospital is nearby. Then only he will feel secure. One person told me that he will always have water in the mouth so that whenever the heart aches, he can just drink the water and be alive. That is his thought. It is a thought disorder completely. It is an intrusive thought disorder, I told. An intrusive thought disorder means it has to be continuously flowing in the mind. As it flows in the mind, he becomes uncomfortable. He becomes uncomfortable. This continuous thought of death will keep haunting him, not making him to be in peace or happiness. So that means what? This kind of a problem, you have to understand that it is completely a mind problem, nothing to do with the real heart pain or health disorder. It is not a physiological issue, it is completely a psychological issue. And secondly, it can be completely cured. Don't worry, this is the good news. It can be completely cured. It is nothing but there is a problem in your subconscious mind in the form of an infected thought which keep coming to your conscious mind and keep troubling you. So it can be cured only by subconscious hypnotherapy treatments. So through that the person can come out completely successfully and he can be in peace continuously. So don't keep taking medicines, and also don't take psychiatric medicines also for this. You should not take psychiatric treatment. Since I told it's a mind problem, don't go to psychiatrist and take psychiatric treatment. Even then you won't get cured. Some people will be thinking, yes, I went to psychiatrist, I felt right, better temporarily, again I got this problem. Yes, that's what I am trying to tell. Temporarily the psychiatric drugs will give you relief. That means it is not curing the problem. It is making you remain unaware of the problem. It is keeping you in a very hallucinated, deluded state where you don't realize your problem. It is there but it's not cured. So what I am telling is, do take only subconscious treatments, hypnotherapy, and that hypnotherapy you have to go to a very experienced and talented hypnotherapist. Then only you get cured. Otherwise you won't get cured. So if you take such treatments, you will be completely cured. Don't worry. Just be very confident and realize it is a mind problem, not a psychological problem. Because many people are not aware of this problem and keep suffering throughout your life. I have seen many cases. So henceforth, right, you need not suffer like that. And just be aware of that. And if you have, you can take this kind of a treatment. And also if your friends tell about these symptoms, do guide them properly so that you, your friends and all people of the world will be very happy who are infected. Okay, I will see you in the next video.